Getting this 442 together. So we got charging the batteries up so we can get ready for pickup tomorrow. Gonna wipe this car down. We're gonna get the towel. We can get the towel and wipe it down. So as you can see, this wipe it real soft, yeah. So we got it going on. It turned out pretty good, y'all. What you think? Like a car now. Everything in there tight. I think he needs some new top pads. They don't even have this top on right. It's not lined up right. He got new rubbers and everything, but whoever put the top on didn't line it up, because I can't even roll this window all the way up because I'm scared it's gonna crack because the rubber is not fitting right in the corners right there. So it's kind of hard for me to mess with it, but I ain't gonna mess with it, put it that way, because if something happened to it this close, this far in the game, I'm gonna be my responsibility. So I'm not touching it, but everything else is good. I like that. So I'm gonna do another piece real quick. See right here on this dash, like right there, I'm gonna do a radio delete right quick with a 442 logo right there. But I like this motherfucker, man. I got the seats working good. So the seats. Yeah, I got the seat. These are Cadillac CTS seats. I changed the design on them, so look kind of slick to me. Dope. Then I did the back seat to match. That is like a brushed aluminum pattern on there. Got the speaker holes for some 6.5, so either some 5.25s on the side. Right there. Got the Oldsmobile logo. And of course, you know, I got the buttons. You know, see, that's the lights right there. Some subtle lighting for the floor. 6.5 can go right there on the side of the console, as you can see. Then we got the lights on the door back there, give it some ambiance. And you can see the ones in the back. You can see. We'll go around to the other side, see what it look like. Yeah, see, he got the back glossed up. It's glossed up. Have to dust this top off. This top is real dusty. So we got the trunk. But we getting it together, y'all. Let me see what's going on this side. Come through this side looking. See, this side, it's actually fit up there a little bit better. But I think, see, it ain't even screwed in right there. So the person who he gonna take it back to the top shop and let them mess with that top. Because he asked me about a top before he brought me this car, and I told him I couldn't do it. So he must have took it to a top shop. They rushed through it. They ain't even do it right. So he need to take that back. But he got plenty of time before the summer comes to get it right. So my job is done. So that's his USB cord for his radio. So I'm gonna put that in the box. Put that down in there. And of course he has his engine control unit in here for his engine. So it'll control his motor and whatever else. I don't know how to work it. I guess since the battery went dead, he gotta reset everything on this car. I don't know how to do it. See. So I'm gonna let that be. I'm not messing with none of that. But yeah. And then of course we got the push button start. You know, the 442 lights up. push button start that turns the dash on. So all that over there need to be wiped down real quick. Do that right quick. Trying to wipe it clean, but I ain't gonna wipe it too hard because it's not wet and I don't want to scratch it because this was new fresh paint. So it's shining though. It's shining. Kind of like a spaceship on that biatch. Woo! Yes sir. We got the red halos on the front. Trying to charge this battery up. This thing been sitting for a minute. So, but yeah, he got a couple things need to be done by another shop, but not me. I got everything on here. So I'm gonna put some screws in here. I'm gonna get 4 gold screws to go in the corner. These ain't long enough, so I'm gonna get some longer screws to put in right there. I'll put them in there first thing in the morning. But otherwise, everything else is pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and make this 442 thing for the middle, and we'll be all good. You see this?